Linking a Mailchimp landing page to your website involves adding a call to action or hyperlink that directs visitors to your landing page. Here's how to do it. Create a landing page in Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account and go to the Campaigns tab. Click Create Campaign and select Landing Page. Follow the prompts to design and publish your landing page. Copy the landing page URL. After publishing, go to the Landing Pages section under the Campaigns tab. Find your published landing page and click View. Copy the URL from the browser's address bar. Add the URL to your website. For a button or link, log into your website's content management system or web editor. Add the button or hyperlink where you want the CTA to appear. Paste the Mailchimp landing page URL into the button or link's URL field. For a banner or image, if adding a banner or image, use your CMS's image editor to insert the image. Link the image to the Mailchimp landing page URL. Save and publish. Save changes and publish your website updates.